Hello everyone, myself Dr. TV Nagaraju. I am working as an associate professor in Department of IT, MLR Institute of Technology, Hyderabad. So in the last two sessions, we discussed byte stream classes. Under this byte stream, what are the classes? Input stream for reading the input, output stream for writing the output. Okay. Under the input stream, we discussed filed input stream and buffered input stream. In output, file output stream and buffered output stream. We have one more type of streams are available under IO package, that is character stream. Now in this character stream classes, what you are using for reading the input, what classes are used for writing the output? For reading the input, we are using reader classes. For writing the output, you are using writer classes. Like input stream in byte, here you are using reader. Output stream in byte, here you are using writer. These two are used for reading the information. Generally, this character stream is used for handling the text data, and it is a 16-bit character. What is the size of byte stream? Byte stream is 8-bit character. So, what are the different classes? File reader, file writer. Similarly, buffered reader, buffered writer. Now, we will discuss all these things. How do you perform file reader, file writer, buffered reader, buffer writer? So, same logic, whatever we done inside this stream, byte stream, exactly we are doing the same thing. Now import java.io.star class demo reader. My class name is demo sum reader, public static void main. Okay, create an object for file reader. Previously, I am creating an object for file input stream. Now, create an object for file reader. fr is equal to new file reader of. Here, I am given my file. What is the file name? Suppose I used one file, txt file, input.txt, which is available in D drive. Okay, now read characters. Suppose int I is equal to 0 while I is equal to, what is object? fr dot. The method for reading the data from the file is read. So by default, what is the end of the file? -1. Suppose by reading this one, and if it is not equal to -1 means end of the file is not reached. If the end of the file is not reached, what I am doing? Just I am printing the value system.out.println char I. Why char I? Just I am doing typecasting. Why? Int I is a number, but I have some text. So simply I am doing typecasting. Close the while loop. Close fr dot close of add. Now here this everything to avoid exceptions, this is placed inside the try block, and if any exception is there, I handle the exception by using catch block. Okay, now save and execute. Fine. Now go to the browser. Java C space demo reader.java. So I is equal to fr dot read of. Okay, just one bracket is missing. See here for this, right? Now system dot out dot println. Now see my input.txt, check. Here input.txt which consists of data, welcome to Java program files. Here I am getting the same output, yes or no? This is the file reader. Similarly, buffer reader is also there. What is mean by buffer reader? The purpose of buffer reader is internally it creates one buffer. The data is transferred from the file to the buffer and I am reading the information from the buffer. So, whatever the file reader that is existed, for that I am creating, see, first I will explain. See, I am creating buffered reader, which is the main purpose is internally it creates a buffer. Each and every time move to the file and perform retrieval operation, adding operation, it simply avoids the burden. Simply avoids the burden. Now, buffered reader, some br is equal to new buffered reader of fr, that is from the file I am reading the information that is placed inside the buffer br. Now instead of here you are using br, close the file, at the same time you need to close the buffer also. Save, go to the command prompt. Now exactly you are getting the output or not, but internally variation occur. Internally it uses buffer. In the similar fashion, file writer is also there, which is used for writing the data into the file. Here I am changing file writer. Some fr is equal to new file writer of, suppose instead of input I am using some output. Instead of buffer reader, here directly I am writing file writer, buffered writer, some br is equal to new buffered writer of, here same logic, remove. What I am doing, this is also not required. What I am doing, string, some s is equal to welcome. I return one message. Here I am reading the file, byte b of is equal to s dot get bytes of. Now br dot write. Here for writing, the method name is write of. Whatever the data we read, I read the files. Now go to the command prompt. Now here observe one thing, byte of, if this is for this only I executed the same thing. If you understand carefully, in input stream that is file, like input stream reader is also there. So there the method is read of in input stream, and in reader also the method name is read of. But here if you observe carefully, in file input, file output stream or buffered output stream, what I am doing, I am reading some string. The string is converted into a byte array and I am printing the byte array. Okay, this is happened in the output stream. Suppose if I am doing like this in the same fashion for writer also, it gives an error. Read the error. No suitable method found for write. So that means this method is not available inside the buffered writer. You got the point? For that you need to follow another procedure. Now I will explain the procedure. Here what you need to do, this is here what you need to do. You are writing buffered writer. By using this object, you need to write the text directly instead of converting a byte array. Why? This is a character stream. Directly it can take the character. But here what is the procedure I follow? That is converted into bytes. That is a byte stream. Now you got my point. So to understand only I added this one. Now remove this one. Whatever the message you want, you can write the message welcome to Java. Why? This is a character stream. Now go to command prompt. Now stream closed. So okay, that is not a problem. fr dot closed, fr dot close off, Java stream closed, br dot close off, br dot close off, br dot flash off, fr dot close off, save. Java.io exception stream closed. We are checking anywhere stream is closed or not. So I am writing the data. Okay. After writing the data, I close the buffer. Yes. After writing the data, I close the buffer and then yes, fine. Close the buffer and then print successfully. Everything is happened. Now move to output data text. Observe. Even though that is a warning, the message welcome to Java, whatever I written, the message is displayed. Now you got it. This is the buffered input stream, buffered output stream, exactly buffered reader, buffered writer in the character stream, file reader and file writer in the character stream. These are the concept of streams. That's the end of today's session. Thank you.